Hey, I'm doing a video. I'm in Willowick, which is a great little city in the Cleveland metro area. And this was a 2-bedroom that was listed, I think for $76,000. And I noticed that the square footage was a lot bigger than what a usual 2-bedroom was. And so I want to show you some of the tricks I do. So this is your living room here. We're finishing this up. This is going to be a nice place, new vinyl windows. We're going to keep the flooring in this time. Of course, you got to put your carbon and all that in, but here's a kitchen, a little bit of work, gas cooking. But here's why they had to call it 2-bedroom. It went through here. This did, but this is actually a suite, first floor master suite, because we're going to put a door right there, and right here is the that's all the material from the contractor. But this is your closet and bonus bathroom, full bath. So we're going to put a door there. It actually is a back door, so it's a great little master suite. And this house just works. It's going to rent right at $1,400 a month, and it's going to really. You can see up here, because most of these houses only have one and a half baths. This one has 2 full baths, and they also on the. So this is your other bathroom, and then you have your 2 bedrooms here. Get that. You have your 2 bedrooms here. So before we bought it, this city requires a dye test on the drain line. So good news is they had to replace it, and you see all the new sidewalk they had to pour. So the seller paid for that. We did not. And it has a nice driveway, garage, everything. We got all this taken care of. But again, this was a great little buy because it was a 2-bedroom. We're converting it to a 3-bedroom, but it said on the MLS 2-bedroom. So, but it's like 1,100 square feet, which is bigger than most 2-bedrooms. So I come over and checked it out. My guys got a great buy. That's what I do for my clients. We're boots on the ground. We do the rehab, purchase, rent. My wife's a broker, Avalon Group Realty Group. She does all the property management. I sell them when you're ready to sell them, but we do get them leased quickly. We have our own marketing company. We are your boots on the ground. You don't really have to do anything. This is what I give clients a weekly update on videos like I'm doing now. And let me tell you, these cash flow very well. After property management, taxes, and insurance, you're going to net, if you pay cash, around $850 to $1,100 a month net. So, and our tenants seem to stay about 18 to 24 months. I just had 2 move out, 25 months and 29 months, and we raised the rent about $200 a month and rented them again. So, and with very little fix up. So, good tenants, good properties, good equity and income create wealth. So give me a call. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty. I'm in the Cleveland metro area, 216-703-5740. Also, you can get me on WhatsApp and like and subscribe to my channel. This is a good tip. Watch for those 2 bedrooms that look a little bit bigger than they need to be. Maybe there's an extra bedroom in there for you. That's going to save you a lot of money. Thanks.